Hi everyone, it's Fred again from Agora Speakers. Today I want to just talk about setting up a club. I think a lot of you say, oh, I came to this school, you saw what we did, students performed, but what do I do? And I have some materials that I used, and I just want to share with you the one thing that you need to start is the club kit. And with that, you can then get them to do the different roles. It's very quick, so let me share my screen and just show you this. And you can always download it and print this. So there is a Agora Youth Club kit, and it contains the different, amongst other information, but it does contain the different roles that they do. For example, the meeting leader, and they will read this out. As meeting leader, I will start and finish the meeting on time, etc. And it goes through and it gives the example of agenda. Then the timer reads their role and does their role. The grammarian, the word of the day, the filler word counter, the thought of the day, the hot questions master, the hot questions evaluator, the meeting evaluator, the listening evaluator, now the joke master, etc. So you print this out and you put them into sheets, protectors. So this is an example. Here is the meeting leader, and it is in a plastic protection sheet because you can use this. I used the same one for months because I had it in these plastic protectors that you can buy. I bought some in Nepal, and I put once we printed them out, I put the sheets in here, and every meeting, at the end of the meeting, they would hand them back, and the next meeting, they would use them again. And I used it in different schools week after week, the same one. And that is how you can easily start meetings. Once that's going, there's other manuals, which I did discuss in a previous video. But this club kit is available. I will put a link in the description below. And please, if you want to get a copy or you want to discuss this, please reach out to me. Because with these meeting roles, it makes it so much easier to conduct a meeting. Who's going to do this role? Who's going to do that role? And they just read these roles at the beginning of each meeting, and then they perform those roles. So with that, I just wanted to encourage you. This is an easy way to start the meetings. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm Fred Jones, the ambassador for Agora Speakers Youth Programs, and I'll look forward to hearing from you if you have any questions or comments. Wishing you lots of love and laughter. Bye for now. Until next time.